When you establish a trust, you create a legacy, a safeguard for your assets and a blueprint for the future. But the cornerstone of this structure is the trustee, the one who will uphold your wishes and manage the trust for its beneficiaries. Understanding the trustee's role. A trustee's role is pivotal. They must navigate the trust's terrain with wisdom, balancing the interests of all beneficiaries with a keen eye on prudent management. But what happens if they falter in their duties? The right to remove a trustee. To ensure that your trust never strays from its intended path, you have the option to empower the beneficiaries with the right to remove and replace the trustee. Without this provision, the only recourse is a grueling journey through the courts, a path often fraught with hesitation and reluctance from the legal system. Defining cause for removal. The term cause, the grounds for removal, can vary widely. From mismanagement and fraud to conflict of interest or even personal bankruptcy, the reasons are substantial, but proving them is no small feat. Empowering beneficiaries. Consider writing into your trust the power for beneficiaries to act, to remove a trustee if they see the trust's integrity compromised. It's an act of foresight, ensuring swift action without the court's intervention. Balancing power and protection. Worried about giving beneficiaries too much sway? List your lineup of successor trustees right in the trust document. If a trustee is removed, the baton passes seamlessly to the next in line. The trust protector. Another strategy? Appoint a trust protector. This sentinel stands guard, equipped with the authority to replace trustees and make pivotal decisions, ensuring the trust never loses its way. Closing thoughts. Your trust is more than just documents and assets. It's the embodiment of your care and commitment. With the right trustee at the helm, and provisions for their oversight, you can rest assured that your legacy will flourish. For a trust that truly stands the test of time, let's talk. Together, we'll build a fortress of fidelity around your legacy.